As agents become the primary consumers of data, the Looker semantic layer has become more critical than ever. It's the single source of truth that translates raw data into agent action. But an outdated model is a liability. Today, we're exploring how to use vibe coding with agents to rapidly evolve your semantic layer. In a previous video, we looked at the foundation, building a new model from scratch. Today, we're going to show you how to accelerate 3 of the most common and often time-consuming evolution use cases. First, automating bulk updates, like hiding specific columns across the model. Second, rapidly translating stakeholder requirements into LookML. And third, reflecting back-end schema changes in your semantic layer instantly. We'll tackle these using Gemini and the new Looker VS Code extension. And because speed is nothing without safety, we'll show how Looker's continuous integration ensures these vibe-coded updates never disrupt the trust your agents and users rely on. It's time to move from theory to the terminal. Let's see how Gemini and VS Code transform a tedious task, like bulk hiding columns, into a quick, agent-assisted workflow. Before we jump into the code, let's look at the experience from the perspective of our end users. Right now, when a business user opens an Explorer, they're met with a wall of technical fields. They create confusion. Our goal is to curate this experience. We're now inside the VS Code environment, powered by Gemini. To kick things off, I'm going to ask the agent to help me identify the dimensions that need to be hidden and document them. I'll start with a simple prompt asking to create a plan and share it for my review. The agent immediately gets to work, scanning the project and generating a clear execution plan. Let's take a look at that file. You can see it's correctly identified the logic and the specific fields at the view level. I'm reviewing the intent rather than writing every line of LookML myself. The plan looks solid, so I'll give Gemini the green light to execute. You'll notice Gemini is checking that some dimensions were actually already hidden, while also updating the LookML across multiple files. We can see the hidden yes parameter has been applied exactly where requested, without me touching a single line of code. Gemini is applying this logic across the entire model, so let's jump ahead to the finished result. To wrap this up, we'll run a quick validation to ensure our LookML remains syntactically perfect. Validation successful. We can also visually validate using our Explore. That's our first task achieved, a bulk update handled in seconds with full transparency. Now let's move on to something a bit more complex. Suppose we've been tasked to allow users to compare sales performance across 2 consecutive periods of the same duration, where the current period is dynamically determined by the user's selection. Let us the agent to create the logic for us. In a traditional workflow, this would require manually writing complex liquid parameters and filtered measures. Instead, we're going to vibe code this entire pattern by simply describing the requirement to our agent. The logic looks solid. I'll give the agent the green light to roll out these changes across the model. Truthfully, if I had to write this manually, it's exactly where mistakes tend to creep in, especially when converting between dates and specific timestamps. By offloading this problem to the agent, we eliminate those manual errors and move straight to the results. Back in the Looker Explorer, let's put the new logic to the test. I selected my date range. Let's look at the last 7 days. Immediately, we can see the agent has successfully surfaced the current period sales alongside the previous period sales. However, looking at the visualization, there's a slight alignment issue. The metrics aren't sitting on the same row, making a direct comparison difficult. Instead of wrestling with the LookML myself, I'm going to head back to the agent. Let me describe what is not working and the expected outcome. Once the agent has finished the update, we can validate the Explorer simply by hitting refresh. By pulling in the new dimension the agent created, our measures are now perfectly aligned on a single row for a true side-by-side comparison. But here's the best part. Notice that the agent also intelligently resolved our filter issue, automatically narrowing the scope to the selected 7-day period. Our final use case is perhaps the most critical, ensuring our semantic layer is kept updated. A data engineer has informed us of several schema updates in our source database. To capture these, I've asked the agent to check the latest metadata in our knowledge catalog. The agent has generated a comprehensive evolution plan. It has identified several new columns that need to be onboarded. It's flagged fields that should be removed. Regarding the missing cost column, since the reason for its removal from the backend is still unclear, I'm instructing the agent to comment it out rather than delete it. This preserves the logic while we investigate, ensuring we don't lose any critical context in our model. These columns are indeed redundant. No need to refactor them. I'll instruct the agent to proceed with a clean removal. The plan is airtight, so let's execute. As the agent rolls out these updates, you can see the model evolving in real time. Notice that here it's also intelligently handling drill fields referencing deleted dimensions. Now I'll commit and push these changes to the remote repository. But we don't stop here. To wrap up our workflow, we're passing the torch to Looker's continuous integration. It's the essential safety net for everything we've built. Covering in details the tool is outside the scope of this video. We've established a robust test suite that covers SQL integrity, LookML validation, and content consistency. Our continuous integration suite has confirmed that every test has passed successfully. By pairing the agility of vibe coding with the rigor provided by continuous integration, we've guaranteed a semantic model that evolves as fast as the business does, without ever sacrificing trust. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.